will be discussing this because I want you to know, mga kapatid, that in this world that is very chaotic, sobrang gulo, sobrang ingay, sobrang daming mga issues, I want you to know that perfect peace can be achieved.
Amen.
Amen? Ayan. So, basahin po natin Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. Sabi dyan, 1, 2, 3, sabay-sabay niyo po natin basahin. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you. Amen? So, when we say perfect peace, in Hebrew, it means shalom. But when we want to say perfect peace, shalom is peace, but if we want to say perfect peace, it means shalom, shalom. So kung maririnig po natin yung mga Hebrew, that is their way of greeting one another. Okay? Pag sinasabi nilang shalom, shalom, it means that may you have perfect peace. So, sabi sa katabi mo, shalom, shalom.
Shalom, shalom.
It means